Why hello peeps, welcome to Matt's Life. How you doing? Hope you're all well. Well, today I want to get into the conversation of what I'm going to take with me on the NC 500. I leave this Friday in the next 3 days. So what I'll be doing is working the night shift, finish at 6 in the morning, pack the bike up, have a few hours sleep, and then meeting a friend of mine at a campsite about 50 miles away. And I just thought I'll do a quick video because I won't be able to do another one until I get back. A minute, my cat's here. This is Beamer. So the first thing I want to go into is my luggage. Now I'm keeping it very basic. All I've got with me is the 80-litre Givi roll bag. So that should keep my stuff waterproof. I've only used it once before since I've had it. So, but it's very simple. And for the tie downs, all I'll be using is my rock straps. I have ordered a Oxford net, which I'll put over the top in case I need to do some shopping. I can just tuck it underneath there. The next thing I've got, I'll get into is my tent. Tent is the MSR Alexa 2 2-man tent. It's very simple to set up. It's about 2.7 kilos. Takes about 5 minutes to set up, so it's simple. The only thing is it is an inner tent, pitch first. So when it's raining, you do have to be pretty fast to set it up. But I've had this now over 3 years. So I know it works. I know how to set it up, so that shouldn't be an issue. The next thing I want to get into is my sleeping bag. So the tent will be strapped separate from the bag itself. That's going to go onto the rack. The big bag is going to go on my seat. So the sleeping mat, I have the big Agnes Rapid. So this is an R rating of 4.5, I believe. So I know it's warm enough because I've tested it out in -2 and I was comfortable enough. This is the long wide, and I roll a lot in my sleep, move around a lot, so I needed the wide, definitely. To go with this, I have the Flex Tail. I've had this a good few years. I think this is probably about the first one they brought out, to be fair. And I don't see the reason to upgrade. The Flex Tail mini pump, it does the job. I've charged it up, so, and in here I've got all the fitments. I know it does the job, so why replace it? The next thing I want is my sleeping bag. So this is the Mountain Equipment Helium 800, and this has a comfort rating of -5. And I do love it. So that's the storage sack, and this is the compression sack. It packs up reasonably well, and it's not too hard to do neither. Just stuff it all in. It is a very soft and comfortable bag, to be fair. I paid approximately £300 in the sales. I've had it some time now, and what I normally do is once a year I'll treat myself to something to do with camping, and I buy the best that I can afford. So it's always mid-range. I can never afford top of the range. But For the weather we get in the UK, this is more than enough. So it does go smaller than this once you get the air out, but yeah, I do like it. Like I said, for the video I just thought I'd quickly do that and show you. I also have the liner. This is also the Mountain Equipment Ultra Firm liner. It's almost like a knitted material, to be honest. And yeah, it's like saying your nan would knit. That wasn't cheap, but it does the job. It adds a bit of extra warmth in case it does get too cold. I think it's about an extra degree or two. So, but I definitely weren't cold at -2, so I'm not going to worry about that. So I'll put that down there for now. So what's next? So I've done my tent, I've done my sleeping bag and my mat. So the next thing I'll go into is my chair. The Summit Pack Away chair. Ultra lightweight, compact. It's not ultra light. I picked this up on Amazon a lot of years ago. Haven't upgraded, can't see the point. Definitely not ultra light, but it packs down reasonably well. The next thing I'll go into is my lighting. So I do have a head torch somewhere. I've misplaced it. But anyway, I've got a basic light here, and I've got a head torch amongst all my junk somewhere. So after that, after my lights, what is it? The cook system. So let's get into the cook system. You've seen me use it many times on my videos. It's the Trangia 25. Comes with 2 pots, frying pan, the burner. Inside I've got some sponges and a microfiber cloth for cleaning it out. Here I've got the Trangia fuel bottle, holds a litre. So I've got that all ready to go. I found my head torch, but yeah, it's just a cheap one from Mountain Warehouse. It will do the job. It cost me about 10 quid. So my brew kit here is a Trekker. I think it's a fishing company. Inside here I've got knife, fork, spoon, a cup, some sugar, coffee and tea bags. Keep it all together. 1 plate. I've had that a good couple of years now. And here, this is just a mini cool bag. I keep my salt, pepper, my oil, washing up liquid, and my sauces in there. And if I buy any meat along the way, I can pull it in, or whatever. I can put it all in there and keep it together. Stops any confusion. So after that, so my toiletry bags, I've got some painkillers in there, some wipes, some body wash, toothpaste, toothbrush. We all know what this is for, trowel. So in case I need to go, and also some tissue paper. This is my first time wild camping, so it's all new to me. So if I miss something out in this video, I've got a few days, so please put in the comments section. So what I don't have with me is my maintenance stuff. I've got it ordered. It's coming in the next few days, in the next 2 days even. So what I've ordered is, I'll look at my phone because I can't remember. So yeah, so I've ordered the Gear Gremlin tyre repair kit, and I've ordered that from Sports Bike Shop in case I get a puncture. And the Interphone smart air compressor, so I've bought that as well, obviously to do my tyres in case I have any issues. And the last thing I've got is the Kappa first aid kit, just in case I need it in case of emergency. So The next thing I'll go into is my gear, waterproofing. So waterproofing gear, I've got the Merlin laminated waterproof jacket. I have tested it, I have tried it on and tested it. It's a good size, it'll fit over my jacket, so I'm okay with that. And this is the Oxford Rain Seal Overpants, and I've used these a few times. You might have seen my cooker videos a couple of months ago, and they do the job as well, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. We are going up to Scotland, so I know the weather's going to get bad. Next thing is a water bottle. I'll be using this only for milk, keep some fresh milk for my coffee, for my tea, and in case we need it for morning or anything like that. So always good to have milk. My clothes, I'm going to pack a few merino wool socks, a few pairs of undies, some trackies, just some lightweight stuff I can wear around camp. My boots I'll be wearing are the Daytona Spirit boots. Now I've had these a good few months. They are a tight fit, they are breaking in, but being Daytona, I'd like to think that they're going to keep my feet nice and dry. As far as my jacket goes, just to add, for round camp I've got this. It's the Mountain Warehouse jacket. It's very lightweight. It's not the smallest of things for package, but it's lightweight, keeps me warm when I'm around camp. And the other thing is some towels. Just a couple of towels. I've got one for wiping out the tent in the morning, so it does get a bit damp. And then just a couple when I can find somewhere to shower or clean myself off. So yeah, all done, thank you. So yeah, as far as my jacket goes, I can't decide. I'm going to take the Berlin jacket. Now this is a large, it's very comfortable. It's not the most waterproof jacket, but with the waterproof to go over the top, I should be alright. This is the most comfortable one out of the two. So this is my Berlin. My sister, my mum bought me this about 5 years ago actually, and I absolutely love it. It's just my style. So, I'm debating on taking this one, which is my Merlin Heritage Collection jacket, Purton. This is a tighter fit, it's a heavier jacket, and believe it or not, I think this is actually colder than the Berlin, and the Berlin's thinner, so I'm not sure. I'll probably end up wearing the Berlin just because it's lighter, it's a bit more comfortable to wear. And I'll be wearing my Shoei helmet, and with this I've got I'm going to be taking a couple of pairs of gloves. So I've got these ones. These are the Richer. I do not wear Gore-Tex because I've been told you can't use Gore-Tex with gloves with heated grips, and I do run with heated grips on sometimes. So I've got the Richer gloves, and I don't think actually I've got my Merlin. I think they're downstairs, but I will be taking these ones, and these are fantastic. And these are the Segura Tawny gloves. I've had these like 4 years now. These are the best gloves I've ever worn, and I can't find another pair of my size, but these are absolutely fantastic. I might do a review on these actually, because I've worn these nearly every day for the last 4 years plus. I even did a review on them on Infinity because I just love them, absolutely love them. And what else? I think that's everything. I think I've done it all now. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. and my channel is going very slow now, and I'm trying to figure out how to make things better. So if you do watch my videos, put down in the comment section how I can make my videos better, because I'd love to know. I'm always looking for tips, hints and tricks, and I'll speak to you when I get back. What I might do is put some shorts up of each campsite, but we'll wait and see. I am nervous. You can probably tell the way I'm talking. I'm very nervous, and but excited. I've got 3 days. So tomorrow I'm back to work, 2 nights in a row, and then that's me done, ready for the trip. Take care all, stay happy, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be in the next couple of weeks on my return. And like I said, please subscribe.